Domestic carpet cleaning hacks followed by professional carpet cleaners. Are you looking forward to cleaning your carpets this summer? You must hire professional carpet cleaners in Melbourne. They would follow certain hacks that makes carpet cleaning pretty fast. Here are some of those hacks. Removing stain with the help of an iron box, using baking soda and essential oil, using homemade cleaning products, removing stains by club soda. So you see, that's pretty easy. All you need to do is to hire carpet cleaning professionals in Melbourne. What better name can you consider than Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne? We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.